Hi, today we're going to be taking an unboxing review of Transformers Power the Primes, Alchemist Prime, Prime Core, and Submariner Decoy Arm. This is from Power the Primes Wave 2. So this is from the Wave 2 of their Prime Arm, Decoy Armor type of deal. Yeah. So you can pick this up at toywiz.com. And if you want to get a sticker sheet, you can get a sticker sheet at toyhats.com. Now, if you buy the sticker sheet from toyhats.com, they give you the stickers for the Wave 2 series, which is only 2 characters in Wave 2, which is Alpha Trion / Landmine, and Submariner, and Alchemist Prime. So, go to toyhats.com, you buy a sticker sheet, and they'll give you the sticker sheet for both of these, which is the only 2 in Wave 2. So yeah, links down below in the description to check out toywiz.com and toyhats.com. Really awesome websites. Definitely, if you want to make your Transformers look awesome and cool, toyhats.com is the way to go. Unless you get a Takari Tomy one. But yeah, anyway, let's take a look at this. Transformers Generations. You know, Affected one, Hasbro, Power the Primes, this being Alchemist Prime right there as a Prime Master or Prime Core, and this being the Decoy Armor, which I believe this was in Transformers Victory, or maybe it was some other one, or Master Force. I believe it was Transformers Master Force. I want to say Victory, but I believe it was technically in Master Force. I don't know, it was a Japanese Transformers show. We didn't get the cartoon over here in America. I do believe we got the toys of these Decoy Armor toys here in America. And the comics was just like London, UK, British comics. So we didn't quite get the comic books here in America. We got the toys, but we didn't get the actual cartoon of it. So really hard, really confusing, but yeah. Let's take a look at what it says on the back here. So Submariner is the decoy arm, which was called something else in the show and comic books. So Submariner right there, and then Alchemist Prime is right here. What's pretty cool is you get to see on the back what the Prime Core looks like. So Alchemist Prime, mysterious scientist, a mysterious scientist. Yeah, not much to be known about. Alpha Trion, infinite knowledge. So it's a know-it-all smarty pants, which matches Alpha Trion. This one, yeah. Let's open it up, take it out of the box, and take a look at it. Wow, they just used a lot of tape on this one. I know it's nowadays on the Transformer toys, they are just going crazy happy on the tape. They're like, it's tape! Yay, we got tape! Let's tape it! It's like, yeah, you know it's like heat sealed onto the cardboard. You don't really need to put tape on it. But they're like, we're Hasbro, let's tape it anyway! It's like, wow, you're not making a Transformer movie. There's no need to use that much tape, but that's how they do it. So let's first take a look at our little Prime Master. Here's what it looks like. Not too bad, not too bad. It does have little eyes in there, but the eyes are more like a little visor. Something that you see like on maybe Grimlock, on Jazz, you know, Transformers like that. And you can't really see it because it's really small, but it's gray. Let's fold it up, which this one actually has tight and stiff joints. Don't know if you heard that. But yeah, really tight and stiff joints there on the legs. And that's what its little Prime Core looks like. So let's bring it back up, open it up again. Here is some water. Let's put cool. Ooh, cool. I mean, pretty much the what the heck? the Autobots in the show, kind of like machine characters almost. Like here, you see what I mean by machine characters. Kind of like robots / humans. While the Decepticons, they took on more of a beast, or what they call a monster form. Yeah. Like, no one's going to suspect robots are a big giant monster. You know, the world's just like, oh, that's a big monster. That's a kaiju. That's normal. Right? Yeah, you could tell the Decepticons were stupid. While the Autobots were like, hey, we're robots. So you know what our disguise is going to like? It's going to look like humans, because you know who's on the planet? Humans. Now, if the Decepticons kind of took a page from the Beast Wars era, which they couldn't because Beast Wars came out years later, but if they had that insight, that foresight, intelligence, they could have said, planet, animals. Let's make ourselves look like animals. We blend in really good. Which they probably would have. But they're like, no, let's make ourselves look like monsters. No one would suspect that. No one would be like, we're just robots and big giant monsters. No, yeah, you could tell they were really stupid. So let's open it up and put it in there. Come on, get in there. Close it up. Move its little arms up. Give him his little weapon. Which, if you didn't know, his little weapon is supposed to be a trident, but it looks more like a broken off pitchfork. Like someone just took the handle or a pitchfork and broke it off. Now I know pitchforks usually have like 4, sometimes 5 prongs, but usually about, what, 4 prongs on there, and this one's 3 prongs being as in a trident. But yeah, without the handle, it just looks stupid. I mean, if they gave like Logan from Wolverine its type of claws, it would look even better. But right now, it just looks dumb and stupid. So let's pop that on there. Pop out this. Actually, this guy just falls right out, which is pretty awesome. Deploy it into its weaponry form. Flip that pad down. Fold this guy up into its little prime core. Try sliding its feet on it, which actually this one stays on it pretty darn good. Which I love it. And let's pop it onto this, which gets a little bit difficult at sometimes. Okay, there we go. So yeah, comparison of the weapons. We have a times return hot rod fitter holding a times return weapon. I think this one's supposed to be, I forgot his name, to be honest with you, at this point in time and moment of recording this. Yeah, and then we have Summer Water as its weapon, which actually looks kind of like a Target Master. So yeah. So let's pop that one off, fold this off to the side, which, if we look at the difference between Skullgrim and Summer Water, yeah, you can tell. Wolverine, Logan's claws from X-Men, Marvel's X-Men, and then we have this, which is kind of like DC Comics. That guy that's Aquaman. Yeah, not the most popular DC character ever. Yeah, Aquaman, you know, he'd be pretty worthless. The only thing he'd be good for is a fish fry, a fish special, you know, something like that. And of course we get our little instructions here. Which kind of tells you how to, you know, put the thing in the dinghy and then put it on and then flip it over and stuff. We don't need to really see the instructions because I just showed you how to do it right here in this video. So yeah, this is everything that you give us. And don't forget to check out, you know, if you want to get them, toywiz.com. They have a pretty good deal on them. But if you definitely want those stickers, which I recommend picking up those stickers, toywiz.com. Links to both ToyWiz and ToyHats.com. By the stickers, I meant ToyHats.com. Link to both websites down below in the description there. And oh yeah, folks, don't forget to hit that subscription button, hit the notification bell, leave a like on this video, and a comment. Alright, thanks, bye.